Hello students, in our last lecture we studied present continuous tense and today our topic is present perfect tense. So first of all we will come to know what is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is that tense which points out an action that has recently been completed. For example, I have done my work. When you completed your work in class, you always say, Ma'am, I have done. That is present perfect tense. You recently done this work and say me, Ma'am, I have done my work like this. So that is present perfect tense. Means the work that has recently been completed is present perfect tense. Its formation is subject, has or have, according to subject. Where there is singular, there will be has, and where there is plural subject, there will be have. Third form of verb, then object. It clears with example. I is subject, have, helping verb, done, third form of verb, my work, object. This is the positive sentence of present perfect tense. Now comes negative sentence. What is the formation of negative sentence of present perfect tense? So its formation is like this: subject, has or have, and then not. Because it is negative sentence, so there will be not. Then third form of verb and then object. For example, she has not completed her work. This is negative sentence. The word not clears this, that this sentence is negative. So this was about negative sentence. Now comes interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence always ask a question. So in interrogative sentence we use the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. So the helping verb of present perfect tense is has or have. So first of all, has or have, then subject, then third form of verb, then object and question mark. The example is, has she completed her work? There is has because she is singular, so there is has. Has she completed her work? So this was about interrogative sentence. After interrogative sentence, there comes negative interrogative sentence. The sentence in which there is negation and interrogation also, both the things. So the formation of this type of sentence is like this: has or have, then subject, then not because it is negative also, then third form of verb, and then object, and at last question mark. So example is, has she not completed her work? Has, there is helping verb, she is the subject, then there is not, third form of verb, complete is root form, and completed is third form of verb, and her work is object. So this was negative interrogative sentence. So we have done all the four types of sentences: positive, negative, interrogative, and negative interrogative sentences. Now we will see what is the use of present perfect tense, where it is used. So the first point is to indicate an action that has recently been completed. Recently completed, जो अभी अभी खत्म हुआ है. In that sentence we use present perfect tense. The example is the clerk has checked all the bills. The next point is to indicate an action which started in the past. जो past में start हुआ था and finished at the moment of speaking. और जो finish कब हुआ? Speaking time में. So this type of actions are written in present perfect tense. Example is the students have watched all the plays of Shakespeare in the past 2 weeks. They started to watch the plays of Shakespeare from the last 2 weeks, but they completed this time, means time of speaking. So we will use here present perfect tense. The next point is to indicate a past event or action for which time is not mentioned, but its effect can be felt at the time of speaking. Means any event or action जो पास्ट में शुरू हुआ था और उसका जो इफ़ेक्ट है, इट्स इफ़ेक्ट है, वो स्पीकिंग टाइम में महसूस किया जा सकता है, फील किया जा सकता है. इट्स एग्जाम्पल इज द चिल्ड्रन हैव हैड देयर डिनर. In this sentence, have is helping verb and had is main verb. Means this example is saying that the children have had their dinner some time ago, but they are not hungry this time. Means its effect is that they are not hungry this time. So this type of sentence is also written in present perfect tense. So this was all about present perfect tense in its 4 kinds: positive, negative, interrogative, negative interrogative, and uses of present perfect tense. So in our next lecture we will do past tense, past indefinite tense. Thank you.